What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today we're going to be doing the gaming test on the new Samsung Galaxy A51. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, so I downloaded a few games on the Galaxy A51 because it seems like no one has really done a gaming test on the Galaxy A51 from what I've seen so far. So I have 3 games that we're going to test out right here. As you guys can see, we have Temple Run 2, PUBG Mobile, and Call of Duty Mobile. Now I'm going to put all of these games to the test. It looks like this is in order from least graphic intensive to most graphic intensive. So let's go ahead and start off with Temple Run 2. Definitely put in the comments down below how you think this phone is going to perform. Let's go ahead and test this out. Alright everyone, so we just booted up the game. So far the screen looks really clear. Obviously this is 1080p AMOLED screen. But let's go ahead and turn up that volume and see how it sounds right now. Okay, so that's pretty loud, honestly. Now this is not a stereo speaker, so keep that in mind. So we are only getting sound from the bottom of the device. But let's go ahead and start off right now. Honestly, really loud. Seems like everything's working fine though so far. So there doesn't seem to be any glitching so far. The speaker sounds really good. The screen just looks absolutely beautiful. Like the colors and everything is just like so beautiful, clear, saturation's perfect. This screen is just super insane for the price. Honestly, it's one of the best screens I've seen on a budget phone. So crazy stuff right here. So yeah, this runs really good on this device. I'm definitely not surprised about that. Very low graphic intensive game. Now we're gonna get into a way higher one, which is PUBG Mobile. Let's go ahead and try this out. Alright everyone, so we loaded up PUBG, and the graphics that have been set on our device is high dynamic range, so we are going to be able to use HDR graphics on this, which is great. So it sets us at there for base graphics, so that's really cool. So let's go ahead and start this game and see how it runs. Alright, so everything's booted up and everything seems to be running great so far, but obviously we haven't dropped or did anything yet. Everything seems to be running very smoothly though. This is a great experience so far. So we're gonna go ahead and drop and see how this runs once we start fighting and everything. Now if you guys do use Dolby Atmos with some headphones in, some Bluetooth or maybe some wired earbuds in, it's going to sound amazing. Trust me, I was playing earlier and it just sounds great. So yeah, you guys definitely need to try that out once you get this phone. Again, if you guys do want to pick up this phone, the link will be in the description down below. But let's get into some action. As you guys can see though, the graphics look absolutely amazing on here. Oh, it looks like we're getting shot at right here. Who is that? Alright, let's go and aim in. Nice, so we got a kill right there. Let's go ahead and take their stuff. But as you guys can see, the graphics look great. As you guys see, the water looks super realistic. Everything looks super good on this device. The other thing is this doesn't seem to be heating up, which is great. We're getting in another fight right now. But yeah, definitely not heating up. Got him. Knocked him as well. 2 kills right there. Awesome. So this is running great. Been playing this for about 5-10 minutes and it's not heating up whatsoever. So everything looks to be great. Yeah, PUBG works amazing on this. Doesn't heat up, and also the graphics look really good, and it's super smooth as well. Alright everyone, so the last game I'm going to be trying is Call of Duty Mobile. Now this is probably one of the most graphic intensive games that you're going to find on the Play Store. So we're going to go ahead and try this out and see how it runs. Alright everyone, so we're starting a game. We're going to be doing Frontline Nuketown right now. And we're going to see how this runs. I did the tutorial on this before on this device off camera, and it was running perfectly. So let's see how it runs when we were playing in a multiplayer game online. So let's see how this goes. Triple kill already. 4 kills. 5 kills. Alright, awesome. Everything feels nice so far though. All the controls are pretty good. Okay, so we got I don't know how many kills right there, like 13. So we're just gonna go ahead and use those kill streaks and win right now. Right here. Triple kill right there. Let's go ahead and use this. Spy plane as well. And let's finish up this game. Awesome, so we won right there. I don't know how many kills I got. Runs perfectly on the Galaxy A51 though. Definitely a great, yeah, so we got the last kill right here. Awesome, so that actually hits someone. Cool. So runs perfectly on the Galaxy A51. This device is a beast, man. I've been playing games on this device for the last few days, and I have to say, this is a beast. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy that video, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you're not a part of the tech gang already. Also, hit the notification bell down below if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, tech gang.